Hello, my name is Michael with ACE Japan, located in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, so today I'd like to talk about what in sentences, not in questions today. Okay, so what in sentences. Okay, some of my students get really confused when they see this in tests or in books or in things like that. So I wanted to go over it today. Okay, and don't forget with my videos, it's really a good idea to hit CC on your YouTube selection because it'll let the English writing so you can see exactly what I'm saying, okay? Because my handwriting is not so great, and also sometimes I miss words or forget ing when I need to put it on there. So if you have the writing down, it'll be much better for you, okay? Alrighty, let's get started. So what in sentences, not questions. Okay, for example, what a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture. Or maybe you heard somebody say, what a beautiful day. Okay, so that equals it's such a beautiful picture. It's such a beautiful picture. It's so beautiful. Okay, what a mess. What a mess. So when something is really dirty or not clean, like my closet, so somebody might see it and say, oh, what a mess. What a mess. What a mess equals it's so messy, or it's very messy. So equals very in this way. Okay, it's so messy, it's very messy. What a mess. Okay, what a surprise. What a surprise. Okay, so when something is a big surprise to you that you didn't know it was going to happen, we say, what a surprise. It is such a surprise. Okay? What a nice thing to say. What a nice thing to say. Okay? Equals, it is such a nice thing to say. Okay? It's a very nice thing to say. Okay, we also have what a terrible thing to say. What a terrible thing to say. That meaning is the opposite. It means it's really bad. You shouldn't say that, or you shouldn't have said that. It was really bad. Okay, and a lot of times with these, the what makes it stronger. So you could even put an exclamation mark. Okay, on your sentences. Okay, so these are not questions. So let's go over this. Let's practice. What a beautiful picture. You try. Good. What a mess. You try. Good. What a surprise. Good. What a nice thing to say. Good. What a terrible thing to say. Okay? Okay, let's go over some more. Okay, so sometimes we use what when we're trying to say if something is correct or not correct. Okay, so for example, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Or that's not what I said. That's not what I said. That's not what I did. Okay, so that's not what I said. Okay, that means it's not correct. That's not what I meant. That's not what I said. That's not what I did. let's use one more. That's not what I wanted. Okay? Okay, let's go over this. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. So when you may be talking with somebody and they misunderstood you, then you can say, that's not what I meant. Okay? That's not what I said. So when you say something and maybe somebody will tell a story about you or misunderstand you and say something that you didn't say, then you say, that's not what I said. Okay? That's not what I did. Same thing, if somebody misunderstands something that you did, or somebody has a belief or they lie, then you tell somebody, that's not what I did. Okay? And if somebody gets you something from the store, but you ask for something different, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Okay? Also, for a restaurant, you can say, for example, that's not what I ordered. That's not what I ordered at a restaurant. I'll write that down after I practice these. Okay, so let's try this. That's not what I meant. Good. That's not what I said. Good. That's not what I did. Good. That's not what I wanted. Good. And like I said, one more. Okay, that's not what I ordered. That's not what I ordered. Or that's not what I asked for. Okay, the same thing, order or asked for. Okay. That's not what I asked for. Okay? Okay, so you practice. That's not what I ordered. Good. That's not what I asked for. Good. Very good. Okay? I don't like to be told what to say or what to think or what to wear. Okay? I don't like to be told what to say, what to think, what to wear. Okay, this is very strong when you're telling somebody to leave you alone. Okay? I don't like to be told by anybody. That means by anybody. Okay? What to say, what to think, and what to wear. Okay? Okay. You try. Good. 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 Okay? But for me, I watch some health and diet videos on YouTube. So YouTube is very nice for that kind of thing. And I like to be told what to eat what to eat what to drink and what exercises to do. Okay, so when I watch the YouTube videos, it's a good thing. I like to be told what to eat, what to drink, and what exercises to do to lose weight. Okay? Let me put that on here. To lose weight. Okay? So I like that information sometimes. Okay? Okay. So if you want to repeat the same thing, I like to be told what to eat, what to drink, and what exercises to do to lose weight. Okay? You try. Good. Okay, and one more thing, not one more thing, but sometimes we use what in a question where it's not at the beginning, where it's not the main part of the question. So for example, do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Okay, do you know what time it is? Equals, do you know the time? Okay, do you know what time it is? There's a couple good songs to listen to that I'll recommend that use what in a sentence. So for example, what I like about you. What I like about you. Okay? This what equals the things. The things I like about you. But they say what I like about you. Okay, and then it's a really good song, so you should check on YouTube. Okay, another good song is what wonderful world. Okay, What a Wonderful World is another good song. You should check that out. And then this what is it's like such again. Okay? But don't use such, don't use the things. Okay? Just what a wonderful world. Okay, check that out. Okay, so that's it for today. There's some more that we could go over, but it would take too long. So just do a little bit more research on the internet if you want to know more. Okay? And you should definitely check these songs out. I like them very much. And you'll probably hear what a lot in movies and in songs and in books and just people talking generally. In English, we use it a lot. It's not only for questions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share the video with your friends and leave a comment. Say hello, or tell me that you enjoyed the lesson or that you didn't enjoy the lesson, or you want me to write nicer or something. Just anything. Okay, alrighty, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.